Hello, I am back in Korea. And where are we heading? We are heading to the university area in Iksan. I'm not in Seoul yet. I'm gonna be spending how many days? 6 days here? 5 days? 6 days? Duh?
With me?
With Alice. And I'm gonna be a hermit and not do anything because I deserve it. My feet hurt so much. So anyways, we're gonna probably grab some food in that area and then we'll update. Ooh. We both got the deluxe bulgogi burgers and then it's a set. So there's, this fry looks delicious though. Is it like seasoned with something?
I think so, yeah.
And it looks really good. Okay, we're gonna eat it now. I forgot to mention, we're at Mom's Touch. I was just like, oh yeah, this is what we got. But we didn't say where it was. But yeah, anyways, this is huge. Come on, Alice. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. It's so loud all of a sudden. What? It's so loud all of a sudden. Alice and I are at Lumix right now. And then we got the deluxe, strawberry deluxe. And then we got the same thing as last time when we were with, is it? Strawberry?
Yeah. It was premium.
Premium, sorry, not deluxe, premium. And then this one right here is the same thing we got back in Seoul. What was it? The honey butter indomie toast. Bread. Toast. Bread. I call it toast, but anything.
Indomie honey butter bread.
I can't ever get it right. But then I don't actually know what this is though. What is this for?
This is like condensed, no, sorry, evaporated milk, I think.
Evaporated milk? Okay, we're gonna dig in and let me focus. So you can see the time is 8:42 right now, and we didn't want to leave an apartment until we decided we wanted to eat Seoul bang. So that's why. But this was much easier to eat this time because we're eating it when it's not actually like solid and like hardened. So yeah. Oh. It's just whipped cream. It's not even ice cream. Okay, there we go. It's good and seasoned. They're so good. They're covered in sugar though.
Yeah.
And nothing's focusing. Why? Cheesecake. Yum. This fell down. I'm gonna eat this one.
Like 3 times.
It fell down so many times. Actually, the whipped cream is actually really good with this.
Covered with whipped cream, of course.
That's combination. Oh my god. So we got back from eating the my brain fart, I'm gonna restart. So we got back from eating bingsu and I like totally brain fart. I can't remember anything right now. And then we shopped by Artbox and then but we did order chicken because right now Nana Chicken is having a special set. So you can either pick, if you order a special set, you can pick either a newest photo card or a 17 photo card by random. But we didn't know what we were ordering and they told us you can order any set and you can get the 17 card. So we were like, oh, okay. We just ordered the, what's it called again? It's called the Nana Chicken Boneless Dakkanjong, which is like sweet crispy fried chicken. Anyway, so it looks like this. And then we also, with Alice's luck, got a card and ta-da! So it's a clear card. Actually, I'll show you the food first, but whoa, we got, it's boneless. Look at that, it looks so good. But ta-da! Thank you, Alice. So this is what it looks like. And then we got free cola too. But yeah, just make sure you order the 17 special set or something, right?
Not this one.
Not this set. We didn't know, and the guy told us incorrectly. The delivery guy told us incorrectly. So they just gave us a photo card. So yeah. Anyways, and this is Alice's luck. Oh my god, I never get his card, but Alice, of course, when I'm with her, she just gets his card. So yeah. Anyways, we're gonna enjoy this chicken now. I'm so happy.
But shocked.
But shocked. I'm like, I never get his cards. So.
Yes, let's eat.
Let's eat. Oh, I should open this one.
So many.
Let's open one of them. Oh no! Oh no! No, I'm not gonna really say spoilers. Oh my god, I love Brooklyn 99. I was excited.
Yeah.
Okay, this one, I think right here. Mustard. And then we got radish. Corn. You like corn, right?
Mm-hmm.
Corn. Okay.
You are a wizard. The point is, we are getting refunded in full, so we are going on a super deluxe 5-star.
The resort is called Costa Bonita.
No bone. You know what bone is in English?
Bone.
Right?
And then they're like, no bone. And they're like, oh, no bone. So anyways, boneless. But it tastes really good with the mustard. Alice, did you try with the mustard? It's really good. But we're having technical difficulties right now because freaking site keeps like pausing.
Smart move.
So yeah, anyways. If you've never had like this kind of chicken before, it's just sweet, a little bit spicy. Not really. And it's just like garlicky. A little bit. This is garlic, right?
Peanut.
No, it's peanut. I thought it was garlic. Well, I taste garlic. Don't you taste garlic?
Peanut.
But do you taste garlic?
Yeah.
Yeah. Load! Load!
You got them eyes looking through to the sunrise.
Hey guys, so I am literally just lounging around doing nothing. Actually no, by doing nothing I mean literally sitting on the bed with 2 laptops. The reason is because I'm trying to get tickets for Alice and I managed to get a ticket for myself for the first day. Since I'm already going for the Saturday show, there's a Friday show that I really wanted to get tickets for Carrotland, and I got it. I was literally like where's my phone? I was like lying here and I was like, okay, I'm watching a video, and then like I'm like falling asleep, and like my face like fell, I mean not my face, my phone fell on my face. Like I think I hit my face. Ow. Anyways, and I got like section 16, so I'm literally sitting in this section now. Wait, please focus. So I'm sitting in section 16 now, which is super crazy. I saw like, hold up, autofocus turn off. Okay, but I saw like 3 tickets, and then when I clicked on it, it said 2. So I was like, oh my god, and I just clicked on the like the closest one that there was. Oh my god, did it hit my face or something? But I'm super excited. So now I'm just gonna look tickets for Alice because she wants to go to the Sunday show. I unfortunately can't go to the Sunday show because that's when I am going back to Canada. So I am going to keep refreshing, and that's what I'm gonna do. Later on, Alice and I are going to the movie theater because we're gonna watch Captain Marvel. So yeah, I will be talking to you guys probably at Carrotland or something because I'm not really doing anything interesting. I will be heading to Seoul tomorrow, and then probably I have my eye appointment, and then I will I'm trying to think what else I'm supposed to do, and then Friday and Saturday, and basically that's it. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. So Alice and I came back from watching Captain Marvel. Something's vibrating, Alice. Anyways, so it was so good, but Alice and I were the only ones chuckling at the certain references because I don't, oh sorry Alice, at certain references because I don't think a lot of the people understood the references in Korea, because it was my first time watching a movie in Korea. It was really good actually, but no, 10 out of 10 would recommend the movie because it got like a really high rating on Rotten Tomatoes. But anyways, I'm gonna shower first, and then I'll show what Alice and Aaron got for like the Carrotland goods and stuff like that. I didn't order any, so I have to get my merch at Carrotland actually, so hopefully I'll be able to get some stuff. But yeah, I'll show you guys later. This is instant, no, this was frozen instant fried rice. That's crazy. Microwaved it for 5.5 minutes in a quote-unquote 700-watt microwave. Alice just opened her cards, and you can see she got some repeats though. A lot of repeats actually. But what we just did is we organized them by card number. So at the back, they have a card number, and we just organized it by card number. And then Alice is picking out all the ones that she like what's it called? Doesn't want and will trade because she wants the whole collection.
Because I'm crazy?
Yeah. I only collect the cards I like. I don't do the whole collection. See, look, she has a lot of repeats. Oh, we have 3 Hoshis. But this June card is cute. cute. She has like 3 of like the drawing cards that are like the one in the picture frame. So cute. I don't know what number that is though. And then so what they also got, I'm gonna quickly show this because I don't know if I'm gonna get this or not. I'll think about it. I don't know if I'm gonna get this. This is called the pouch. The pouch, 17 pouch. It's like from the pictures you couldn't really tell what it was, but basically it's a toiletry bag. So it's blue, like a serenity color. Then the, please focus, it says 17 if you can't tell. And then on here, the sides, it has like the little diamond, and then on the front it has a like diamond shape. And back says SVT. Inside looks like this. It has a pouch where you can put some stuff, and then it has a hanger so you can hang on a door. And then it has zip and clear as well. And inside has this as well. Super cute. I don't know if should I get it or not because I have something like this already. And inside here, I don't know if you guys can see it. It says Pledis Entertainment. And then there's this Cashby card. I don't think I'm gonna get this. I mean, I might just because for the photo, but I don't know if I'm gonna buy it just because of the photo. This is so cute. And then this is what it looks like on the back. And then in here as well, they ordered this bag. I don't think I'm gonna get this because this isn't my style, but it's basically just like a fabric for the strap. And then what's it called? The cross bag. It's called the cross bag. And then on the front it says 17. And you're always by my side. And then it has a blue stripe. And it's just zippered. I'm not gonna open it because it's not mine. I'm not gonna open it. And then on the top, the zipper says SVT. Alice also got this, which I think I'm gonna get. So I'll probably show you guys this later. But this is super cute. It's like the photo card set. And it's 17 in carat. And then you can see scoops right there. Photo set. Look how the quality of cutting and everything is different. Look on the back, see? Production quality, it's gone downhill. Just kidding, no, it's probably they just probably skipped it, messed up. But look at this one, so cute. This one I am so excited to get. I actually really like this one. Sorry Johanna, I love you too, but like this June one is so cute. Oh my god. Sorry. It's so cute. Oh my god, stop. I need to stop. But look. This one is so cute too. I love their drawings. They're so cute. Look, he drew a tiger. So cute. Just a face. It has Infinity 8. There you go.
And 11 more girls over there.
Last meal in Korea. Well, full meal in Korea. Woohoo! This is my requested. I got bulgogi egg burger. Egg bulgogi burger? What is it called? Egg bulgogi burger. And then you got Shanghai. Let me know if it's spicy or not. And then what did you get? Same thing as me, right?
Yeah, nuggets.
Nuggets? I got, what did I get? I got cheese sticks. And then we are super tired.
If you need to learn how to talk to a lady, ask your mum.